Hello guys, this is Pavel from Laravel Daily and from QuickAdminPanel generator, and today in this video I will actually try to use QuickAdminPanel to create a demo project for you. I will use a new version which we call 2019 QuickAdminPanel, which is already available but it's still in early days, so I will try to create something useful with it live here in this video. So here's a project on Upwork. I often use Upwork not for pitching for clients, but just for inspiration for which projects need QuickAdminPanel or just tutorials or something like that. So here's a simple project to manage coffee drinks for baristas and companies and calculate how many drinks are there ordered, finished, cancelled, and stuff like that. And we will simplify that project to just save time. Basically, we will have a drink queue. So barista will be a user who would enter a drink, for example, cappuccino or latte or something, and then they will be able to finish it, like mark as completed, or delete as mark as cancelled. So for example, client changed their mind. And then there will be administrator who would be able to see drink statistics per day, per barista, and something like that. And that's it. And for that, our QuickAdminPanel is pretty good, and I will show you how to generate that panel with our QuickAdminPanel and then do some custom coding afterwards after download. So let's begin. Here's the baristas. Here's the view how it looks. You can just create a new panel. It's deploying now, but we already can create more CRUDs, more menu items. This is by default users and permissions, and by default we have two roles, admin and user, and this is exactly what we need, admin and barista in our case. And we will create menu item called, actually I've started to think about that, to think about the strategy, the database schema, and I've come up just with two tables. It's nothing more complicated than that. So drinks types will be model name, drinks types, and all we need here is type name and price. So price will be a number float, or actually money, type money. So price. Okay, so that's all we need in here in this structure. Next, while it is deploying, we can create more. So drinks, actual ordered drinks. So drinks will be tied to some relationship. So belongs to relationship to barista. So who ordered, who entered the thing. So username, barista. Then drink type, so what is actually latte or cappuccino or something like that. So another belongs to relationship, so drink type. Model is drinks types, which we have created just previously. And then price. Why it is repeated? Because price may change. So drinks type price in the parent relationship may be more expensive or cheaper with some discounts. So we need to also save actual price of the drink. Okay, probably that's it. Actually, no, it's not. Completed ad, so that's what I've come up with. Completed ad should be a timestamp. Actually, date-time picker. Completed ad. It won't be an actual picker. We will customize it in the code after download, but we do have to have that field, and it's not just completed or not, it will be a timestamp for completed. From there we could calculate how much time it takes to prepare one drink. So yeah, drinks types and drinks, and then we can download the panel and locally continue, or actually let's deploy. That's the new thing in our QuickAdminPanel 2019, deploying files to our own server, and we can click preview, so preview panel. Preview panel, and then the default is admin password, and then we can enter drinks types, for example the same latte, which would cost $3 or whatever is the currency, and then in drinks we can enter that barista admin, ordered latte for the same 3 or 320, for example, and it's not completed yet. So this is our panel ready. Now we will download the code and we'll continue locally with some customizations. Okay, I've downloaded the panel. Here it is how it looks, and then I've installed it locally by doing just composer install and artisan migrate. And this is my local computer, and I'm logging in as administrator, and first we need to enter drinks types. Let's enter them. So latte will cost $3, black coffee, for example, will cost $2, and something fancy like cappuccino. I'm not sure how it's, I think it's that's correct. Right, so we have 3 drinks types, and then we can order drinks. But actually we need to enter baristas first, so admin won't enter the coffee. So barista, for example, barista.com, some password, and role is simple user, or we should rename it actually. Role, that's actually how you can manage permissions. But so let's rename user just for clarity to barista, and actually let's take away some permissions. So drink type, they won't be able to manage, just drinks, and that's it. They won't be able to manage users, so they will be able to see just drinks. Okay, we save it, we log out, and then we log in as barista. So barista.com. Password I've just entered, and we should see one menu item, well, dashboard. We will get to that later, and drinks. So now we are able to add a drink with the same price and completed ad, and this form needs to be customized. First thing, barista shouldn't be chosen because, well, it should be myself, so it should be set automatically. Drink type should contain the price, so I shouldn't be choosing the price. And then completed ad shouldn't be in create form, it will be a button on the list while it's created. So let's get to the code and let's customize it. Okay, so here I am in PHP Storm, and we have the form, resources, views, admin, drinks, create blade. And from here we need to remove some things. So barista shouldn't be a field, then drink type is okay, price should be removed because it will be automatic, and completed ad should be removed. So the whole form should be actually just one drink type, and that's it. So let's refresh the page. Yep, so drink type is just, for example, I ordered latte, that's it. And then in the controller, so in drinks controller, we should set, so barista should be not here because it's not actually used. It's just drinks types that should be chosen. And in store, in order to enter the drink, so okay, drink will be this, and then drink barista ID will be auth ID, and then price should be taken from the drink type, right? So drink type equals drinks type, find request drinks type ID, I think it's called, but we will double check that. And then so drink price will be equal drink type price, and then we push it all into the create, and this is how we will save. Now let's try to double check drinks types ID price request, no, not that one, with drink, so drinks type ID, drink type ID it is called, the field, so drink type ID here. And let's see if it actually works in the browser. So we refresh, we choose, for example, we want latte, we save, and fingers crossed, no errors. Yep, so barista1, which is me, I'm logged in as barista1, ordered latte at price 3. So that's it. This one is actually generated automatically by QuickAdminPanel, but we don't need view, we don't need edit. We just, if there's edit, for example, if someone ordered something different, then it would be deleted and recreated as a new order. So let's remove those in index blade, which is drinks index blade. Yep, drinks index blade. We don't need show, we don't need edit, we just need delete. And actually, let's try if it works. So we delete, and it is deleted. That's it. So let's order one more latte, and let's get to completion phase. So when the order is actually completed, so you can choose delete, and probably here there will be a button to complete the order. So let's create that button. In the same can drink delete condition, we enter just a link, which would be route, for example, admin drinks complete, and parameter would be drink ID. Completed, and let's add a class here. Class button, that's from Bootstrap small button, for example, primary. Completed. That route doesn't exist yet, but we will get to that. So in web PHP, we have resource drinks controller, but let's add one more. So route get, which is also actually middleware by admin, by auth, so it's not public. So admin, no, drinks, drink ID completed. And then there will be drinks controller complete, or actually complete here, because it's an action. And let's name it drinks complete. Yep, that should work. Drinks complete. That's actually prefixed by admin dot and admin, so I don't need to repeat admin dot drinks dot complete here. Let's see if it works. Let's go to our browser and let's see if that button actually appears. Completed, or actually complete, and that will be probably not SM but XS, I think the style is called. Class, yeah, complete. So now it shows URL at the bottom. You can see admin drinks 2 complete, so ID 2. And now let's create the controller method. So drinks controller. Okay, so public function, let's copy and paste, complete, let's not use that, so drink ID, this is good, drink find or fail, drink ID. If it isn't found, then it will throw 404 page. Then drink update completed at now, and return back. Should be okay, right? Let's try it. So we refresh this page again and click complete. And there we go, completed at is set. So it actually is completed. What else do we need to do for this project? Probably get a dashboard of how many drinks will be there per day, per month, or something like that. And for that, let's create some seeders with fake data to be able to test the dashboard how many things are there. So let's get to seeding. This is how it looks right now, the database. So we've played around with 2 drinks, and now let's make a seeder for the drinks table. So artisan make seeder, drinks table seeder. It will generate empty file, and we will fill it in with some fake data. Seeder created successfully, so in PHP Storm, you probably are able to find it. So drinks table seeder, nothing here so far, but let's do for, I don't know, 100 drinks, just for loop. Let's create drink create drink, and now let's fill it with some data. Drink type will be drink type find, and we will have random 1 to 3, and then drink will be array with barista ID, let it be 1, the same barista, then drink type ID equals drink type ID, price. Why we're getting all the drink types every time? Because to calculate the price. It's not the most efficient way. Of course, we could optimize to avoid the database query 100 times, but it doesn't really make a difference in this case for 100 entries. Price, what else do we need here? Completed at will be null, and I guess that's it. So we have 3 fields, and before that we need to make sure that drinks are table is empty. So drink truncate, I think. Actually, let's not do that. Let's leave all the entries. Final thing what we need to do is created at. We need to fill created at, because to randomize the data for the dashboard, so when it was actually ordered, created at will be, for example, now sub days. So subtract days, for example, random from 1 day to 90. Yeah, and that's it. That should actually work. And now let's try to launch it. Artisan db seed class equals drinks table seeder. Let's hope it works. Yep, it worked. And let's refresh our database. We have something. We have drinks, we have baristas, we have different created at. What else? Probably we would need to have completed actually drinks. So yeah, let's do that. So created at will be this one, and then so created at and completed at will be created at add minutes. For example, it takes 1 to 10 minutes to prepare the drink. Okay, let's try to launch that again, and we should have another 100 completed drinks. So we had 100 new entries, and now let's see, scroll down. Yeah, we have 100 completed drinks, roughly in the same, so it didn't add any minute. That's weird. So probably messed something up. Add minutes. Yeah, anyway, it works. Basically, it fills data with something. Now let's add a dashboard so admin would see how many drinks and how much money people earn per day. And for that, we will get back to our generator and we will use a module called dashboard and reports. So in the module section, let's find dashboard and reports, this one. So it will allow to create on the dashboard on this menu item here, which is empty for now. So this is empty, just home. Let's try to add a widget here. So dashboard widgets, we have a new menu item, and let's add a widget. There are 5 different types of widgets, and let's make 2 line charts. So line charts of drinks per day. So drinks, aggregated function is sum, so count of drinks per day of completed ad, and filtering last 30 days. So drinks per day, and it will be half of the row, save. And another widget would be same thing, so drinks, sum price, so just total per day, again 30 days, revenue per day, and also half of the row. We save that, and now we will apply that. So here I am back in my PHP Storm. So the only files that I needed to change was home controller. We will use a package that we've created specifically for QuickAdminPanel, but it is more flexible for Laravel charts. In home, we will render those 2 charts. again with that package, and I needed to install that package just by doing composer require Laravel data, Laravel charts, and here is the result. So in the dashboard you can see how many drinks per day, so 3 drinks, 5 drinks, something like that, and then revenue. Probably we should do that as float, but yeah, we didn't have any float numbers. We had only integers in the database. So yeah, that's it. We have a dashboard, we have some seating data, and we have menu item to enter the drinks. And I guess that's it. That's a demo project showing the QuickAdminPanel capabilities and also doing some custom code. I hope you learned something from that about seating or about generally how I do things. And I will shoot more demo videos for QuickAdminPanel and for projects like this. So I hope both will be useful from our tool, promotion kind of, you can call it promotion, and for learning some Laravel stuff. See you in the next videos.